Is your Apple Card payment stuck in limbo, causing you unnecessary stress? Let's fix that. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll find the Apple Card right there amongst your other cards. Tap on it to access your Apple Card dashboard. Take a close look at the payment due section. Do you see any alerts like payment failed or payment delayed? If so, that's our starting point. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. This will open a menu with additional options. Select transaction history from the menu. This is where you can review all your past transactions, including payment attempts. Scroll through the list and find the failed payment. Tap on it here. You'll see the specific reason why the payment didn't go through. Common reasons include insufficient funds, an expired card on file, or incorrect banking information. Now, let's update your payment method. Go back to the main Apple Card screen and tap the three dots again, then tap Card Details. Scroll down to Payment Method and verify that your card or bank account details are accurate and up to date. Make any necessary corrections. If everything looks correct and you're still having trouble, it's time to contact Apple Support. You can do this directly through the Wallet app or by visiting the Apple Support website. Search for Apple Card Support and follow their instructions. Apple Support can provide personalized assistance and troubleshoot any underlying issues. Don't hesitate to reach out. They're there to help you get your payments back on track.